Hi guys, welcome to our Learn German video series on life in Germany. In this series, we'll be bringing you videos from daily life in Germany. Today, we'll be showing you the Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof or the Frankfurt Central Station. Frankfurt is known as the Internationale Messestadt, international city for fairs and exhibitions. And the central railway station is known as Frankfurt am Main Hauptbahnhof. So here we are at the Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof. You can see the platform numbers 12 and 13 and the details of the trains displayed. The train station has a lot of passengers, making it one of the busiest train stations in Germany. You find a number of restaurants, bakeries, banks, etc. around the Bahnhof. Big board up there shows information of all the trains. This is where you buy your Fahrkarte or ticket. And this is how a regional train looks like. So if you like this video and if you want to watch more of such videos, do give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to this channel for more videos. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!